Morning guys, May 19th, 2026. I got a call from a guy. He's got his AC's not working. We also got a problem with his outside faucet. He's got one of them hot cold outside faucets that's an issue. I don't know if I'll have time to do the faucet today, but I could probably fix his air conditioner. Look at his AC, see what's going on with that. Nothing. See if we even got power coming in here. Might not have any power.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm afraid of. I don't know. It's run like a champ every year since I got it. But
Volts AC. See if we got any power. $117. That's not $120. That's not going to do it. It should be $220. Might have a bad breaker.
okay.
It's only get $120. That's not enough. It's supposed to be $220, not $120.
Well, sounds like a deal to me.
Where's the breakers?
Right downstairs here.
I ain't gonna run like that with 110, right?
You're telling me, my friend. That's why I called you. You're the expert.
What'd you do for work?
Me? You're not going to believe me when I tell you. I was the building inspector.
You're a building inspector?
Yep.
Oh, you know about electricity then.
Oh, I know a little bit about everything.
Yeah, sometimes what happens is these bus bars and these flipping panels go shit, you know? Where's the breaker?
That's the good question. It says furnace on there somewhere.
No, you got any problem with anything else? No?
Nothing. Nothing. Everything's been good. Somewhere there's a breaker for that.
Probably this one, 30 amp. Nothing's labeled.
Well, yeah.
Ain't that how it works, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Could be that 30 amp breaker right there.
That's what I'm thinking.
I would think so. This one here says back garden.
Furnace, right.
Furnace, yeah, but no, it's the AC.
Yeah, I got you.
Let me check it outside and see if we got power. There is a 220 switch outside. That might be a problem. Let's see if I got 220 now. 117. Ain't nothing but quality here. This fucker. Could be this. Could be this. This piece of shit right here. So we should have. See if we got 220 coming into this thing. $240. What have we got going on in this thing? 110 is our problem right there. There's our problem right there. I just gotta get another square D is our problem. 110, 120, 240. That's an easy fix. QO square D. Alright, up here I got all my breakers and stuff I need. Breaker. Breaker 19. Breaker 19. Yeah, put some shit in there. Gotta get it better. Square D breakers in here. It just has to be. It's just a switch, so I got a 30 amp breaker in the panel. Let's grab one of these 60s right here. It'll work. Breaker 19. Alright, I should be able to change that out. Put a new one in there, and I got a 60. There it goes. And I should be able to just swap these wires out, and it should be good. There's a 30 amp in the panel, so I don't have to worry about this being the proper size. Never a dull moment. You ever hear that saying?
I hear that. That's why I called. I've had enough exciting moments for a while. I had 3 vehicles out in the driveway over the winter needed new batteries.
Really?
Yeah, 3.
How come?
I wish I knew.
That seems a little...
Well, actually, one of them, the battery was 10 years old. So God bless it. That's my toy. It's in the garage. The house battery that ran the camper pot, that crapped out a year ago. Big fight over warranty on that one.
I should be able to just get this thing back in there and get it up and running for you, hopefully. Yeah, these square D breakers have always been a problem. I don't know why, they're just cheap. They're not designed to be out in the weather, I don't think.
No.
You know, they're not designed to be out in the dampness.
Yep.
I think that's what the problem is. That's tight, that's tight. We're in there where we need to be. Yeah, I had 220 going into it, but only 110 coming out.
Oh, there you go.
So, let's see. See what happens now. Volts. 240. That should work now. That's a good sign, right?
Yep. Very good sign, my friend.
Alright, what you have to do is put this back together.
So you guys, you've been around, was it you originally or was it your dad?
No, I started this business.
You did?
Yeah, my father was in the union.
Oh, okay.
And I was in the union too, but I got out and started my own business.
I see.
30 years ago.
30 years ago, okay. I was just working for the town back then. Yeah, I was the guy that was in charge.
Back in the day.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I had a little health incident and took advantage of it and got out.
Well, I mean, all right, go ahead and turn on your air conditioner and we'll see what happens
Let
here.
me go see it. Yeah, I'll go turn it on.
Turn it on and it should be fine now. That's just a freak thing, huh?
Yeah.
Freaky thing, Mama. Definitely a freak thing. Breaker 19. Should be kicking in any time now. You put it on cooling and then turned it down, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
You want to look at the thermostat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is on cooling and automatic.
Mm-hmm.
Could be the thermostat's not working. I'm not getting any voltage out there.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, this thing don't have a delay on it, so something's up. Is your unit running downstairs?
I don't hear it.
Not running. Something's up. This don't run, nothing's gonna run, right?
Yeah.
We got power to this, huh? We didn't shut no power off to this. Nope. Let me get my light and see what's going on with it.
Want to use this light?
I'll have to get my meter and see what the hell's going on. If we even got power. Let me get my tools.
Okie dokie. Go right out that door.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why they've had 8 and 9, but that's, like I said, politics.
It don't seem like there's any power going to this flipping thing for some reason. Doesn't have a switch. Doesn't have a door switch.
It's got to be a door switch, huh?
Maybe it's on the top. It's kind of weird. There's no door switch. It's here, but it's not sticking out enough. Kind of weird.
Yeah. I agree with
Let's
that.
see if I got power.
What little I know.
Pulse AC. Turn it up to on 10. This is kind of weird. There is a door switch there. Door switch looks all fried to me. Well, look at that. I think that's what our problem is. You know, it's all corroded.
Where are we talking?
See the door switch there?
Oh, yeah. I don't look at it.
Right, I got power going through a switch there, so it's kind of weird. Let's see what we got going there now. Let's see if I got power. Power at my jump red to green, and that fan should run. Red. Red and green, the fan ran. I think we got a bad thermostat up there.
Okay.
Because I just jumped on red and green and the fan kicked in.
Thermostat then.
Jump. Put a new one.
Yep.
Let me put a new thermostat up there, and that should take care of our issue. Okay?
Okay.
I got new ones in the truck.
To replace you guys.
Alright, so we got a new thermostat in there. I just picked these up. They seem to be pretty decent. They keep changing shit, you know. You like a certain thermostat and then they change it on you.
Yeah,
They stop production and they start something new. Alright, so it's working now. That thermostat was bad.
Okay.
Let me get it back together downstairs and it should be running.
Okie dokie.
Should be running outside too. Let's see if the condenser's running. Condenser's running too, so. Nice, cold and sweaty. Alright, we're good. That's weird. It's running.